Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fill or to file the KRA NIL return. Remember, the days are running and we are almost to hit the deadline, which is normally being the 31st of June. So it's just almost 1 month and maybe 3 days during as at the time of shooting this video. So it's a request to each and every one of you to adhere to the rules and regulations and the requirement of the government to file the KRA return. It's either you are employed or unemployed or you are in business. It's a requirement, so it's good and it's advisable to file your returns on time to escape the thing of being fined or being given penalties for failing to file the return. It's a very simple process and I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to file the NIL returns to the KRA. This is for those people who are not employed, the students in the schools who have the KRA PIN. I know most of the students don't file their returns because they normally say that, oh, I'm not employed, there's no need to file the returns. But I would urge you to kindly be filing the returns NIL. You file a NIL return because you don't have any income. So if you are there, you are a student, and you have not been filing the KRA request, the KRA tax returns. This is the high time to file your returns before the deadline hits on you. In this video, I'll be showing you that. So kindly watch until to the end so that you can know how to file it on your own without even visiting to the cyber, without needing any assistance from no one. You can do it by your own. So kindly watch this video until to the end. And if you find it nice, kindly give it a like, comment at the comment section, encourage me, and also share with others so that they can also be educated and know how to file their returns with ease. So it's a very simple process. And remember, this year the government is giving something we call amnesty certificate. So this year the KRA is issuing you with an amnesty certificate. What does it mean by amnesty? In this, it means it's a program whereby the KRA is giving a tax waiver. It's all the same as the meaning as the tax waiver. So initially the government was saying that we'll be giving you a waiver, maybe 100% waiver on the penalties, but in this time they are calling it amnesty. So if you hear the word amnesty, just know it's the tax waiver. It means that if you have never been filing the NIL returns, for this now, as we talk for NIL return for the student and those are not employed, and those people who don't have any tax to file, you remember you have been subjected to a penalty of 2,000 shillings every year that you never file. If you have never filed for 2 years, 3 years, remember you have been subjected to a penalty of 2,000, which normally have an interest that accrue every year now and then. Now, what it means is that if this time 2024, if you file your KRA returns, NIL returns in this case, you will be given an amnesty on all the penalties, all the penalties that had accrued, all the penalties that had been given, subjected to you, and all the fines that had been subjected to you for not filing the returns will be waived. That means that if you had any penalty, if you have any interest accruing on your taxes, all of them will be waived, and you'll have a very clear report to the KRA. So that is what it means. If you file the returns this time, NIL return, you'll be given an amnesty, which means that all the previous returns penalties will have been removed. So without wasting time, we now can proceed and show you how to file the NIL return. So you'll just go to your browser and you browse the iTax.kra.go.ke, and you will have to open an website as you can see on your screen. So this is the website that will be filing your nil returns. So as you can see, welcome to iTax online service. So from here, we will proceed to this step where you ask, do you have a PIN? And in this case, you will have to enter your KRA PIN. And in this case, I'll be using this as an example so that you can be able to know how to file your returns and nil returns. It's a very easy process. Then from there, you type in your password. You type in your password and you'll be doing this security stamp. It's a very simple verification, a mathematical question, which is 132 plus 8, it's 140. Then you click enter. Click enter, then it will load in a matter of seconds. It will load and you'll be able to see all these. So you can read this. The website is using crutches to ensure your browsing experience. To learn more, so this is just, you can click I understand and you submit so that you can be able to log into your account. On your account, this is my customers or my one of the guys I'm applying for accounts. So from here, you'll go direct to returns. Then you click nil return. You click nil return. The first one is for employed individuals, and you can file for amended return. You can amend the return that you had done for employed individual. But in this case, remember we are doing for nil return. This is for student and those people who are not employed, those people who are not earning any employment income. So we click file nil return. Click file nil return. So as it opens, here you will have the type of your self tax PIN. It will be automatically reflecting. Then tax obligation. Here you select the income tax resident individual. Then you click next. From there, you type, as you can see, personal identity number is the KRA PIN. It has already been filled for you. And also, as you can see, the period is 2023. It's automatically generating. This for this individual, it's very nice because the guy have been filing the returns year by year. That's why you can see it's bringing us to 2023. So there is no much in this account for this person. I'm sure there is no fine, there is no penalties, but still the guy will be receiving the amnesty certificate because it is automatically generating. If you have filed your nil return, you will automatically get the amnesty certificate. So remember, you are filing for the year 2023. That is from 1st of January 2023 to 31st of January 2023. Then from there, you click submit. And as you can hear a notice, dear, you are filing the new is only applicable in case of where there is no transaction to declare for the period. Are you sure you want to file nil return? Yes, we are sure. And from there, it has been submitted. And here you can now download the receipt showing that you have done the submission. As you open the receipts, yeah, you can see that we have filed your KRA returns to nil, and that is it. You'll have filed your returns and escaped all the penalties and all the problems that you might start encountering with the KRAs.